Hey everybody, Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate Team.
And Crystal Haydu from Allen Edwin Homes.
Awesome.
Jason?
Yes?
Do you know what's neat about building a brand new house with Allen Edwin Homes?
I know a couple of different things, but tell me what you're thinking.
Personalizing your home.
Yes. I love that.
How did you know I was going to say that?
I had an idea. However,
Yes.
We are standing in front of this gorgeous kitchen right now. Tell me a little bit more about how Allen Edwin allows you to personalize your home.
Okay, so we have an over 4,000 square foot showroom. We refer to as our design studio in
Love
Byron
that.
Center. So all of our clients go there, they're going to work with a specialist, and they're going to select all the parts and pieces from the home.
Okay.
And so they're going to pick out what's important for themselves and really put their own flourish on it.
I really like that. So
Okay.
you don't actually have to go to 19 different stores
Nope.
to pick
Or
out
from a
everything.
catalog.
Or from a catalog.
Ugh,
Yeah, right.
You're going to see all the things. You're going to touch all the things. You're going to put them together.
And you're customizing cabinetry, countertops.
Flooring.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Trim work, lighting, all the good stuff.
All of those things. So first you choose the floor plan that you want.
Yep.
And that's kind of a conversation between you and me and the realtor and you, the buyer. And then after you've picked out kind of the floor plan, the layout,
Yeah.
then you'll go to a design center and
That's
be
right.
able to choose
Yep.
how it actually turns out.
Yeah.
That's very cool. So if you want to learn more about the design center, about the personalization process, reach out. Go to our website, go to mykalamazoorealestate.com, click on new construction at the top of the page, and we'll be able to give you more information about building, about personalizing, and about getting you into your new home. Have a great day.
Yes.